Classic cold brew, a coffee experience that is completely different. Unlike hot brewed coffee, which uses high heat, cold brew is created through patience. The main method here is steeping coffee grounds in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This long time helps extract flavors without creating bitterness or harsh acidity. Just keep in mind the standard ratio, usually 1 part coffee to 5 to 8 parts water. The result is an extremely smooth, rich, and sophisticated cup of coffee. This method is super simple for you to make right in your own kitchen. Give it a try today and feel the difference. Nitro cold brew coffee or beer? A question that makes many people curious. But what about Nitro cold brew? Is it coffee or beer? The answer lies in the technology. This coffee is infused with pure nitrogen gas. This process creates a silky foam, making the texture creamier than ever. Did you know? This idea was directly inspired by craft beer pouring techniques. It is truly a different experience. Head to a specialty cafe and try a glass today. Cold brew with milk, the perfect blend of bold cold brewed coffee and creamy milk. Why is this combo so popular? It's all about that perfect balance. For a great glass, the golden ratio is usually 1 part concentrate to 1 part fresh milk. For a light taste, choose fresh milk. If you prefer a bold, creamy latte, condensed milk is the key. Making a cold brew latte at home is easier than you think. With 100 milliliters of cold brew, 100 milliliters of milk, and some ice, you have a professional-style coffee drink. Cold brew concentrate, the secret to having delicious coffee all week with just 1 brew. First, prepare coarsely ground coffee and filtered water at a ratio of 1 to 4 to 1 to 8, depending on your preferred strength. Mix well, seal it, and let it rest in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. Time is the most crucial factor. After steeping, filter out the coffee grounds to obtain the pure coffee concentrate. When you're ready to enjoy, simply dilute this concentrate with water or milk according to your taste. A bottle of concentrate lasts all week in the fridge, saving precious time for busy office workers. Try it now. Cold Brew Tonic, a refreshing new twist for those who love crisp, invigorating flavors. Try Cold Brew Tonic, now a refreshing new breeze for the summer. The combination of cold brew's bitterness and tonic water's crisp, bubbly fizz creates a symphony of flavors. First, fill the glass with plenty of ice. Next, pour in the tonic first, then slowly add cold brew on top to create beautiful layers. A perfect refresher, waking up all your senses on hot sunny days. Try it now. Vietnamese style cold brew coffee, the new take on a beloved classic. Forget the traditional drip method. Today we use cold brew as our base. Add a layer of rich, iconic condensed milk to the glass. Gently pour the cold steeped coffee on top. Finally, don't forget the ice cubes to complete the flavor. This is the new take on a Vietnamese classic. Enjoy. Coconut cold brew, a mesmerizing combination. Let's start with a rich layer of cold brew coffee. Combine it with fresh coconut milk, bringing the breath of the tropical sea. You will immediately taste the natural sweetness and creaminess without adding any sugar. A perfect balance between slight bitterness and sweet creaminess. A great choice for those who love an explosion of tropical flavors. Cold brew citrus, a sparking inspiration. When the richness of cold brew meets the freshness of citrus, a taste spark ignites. Inspired by espresso tonic, we bring you a totally refreshing experience. Golden lemons, sweet orange slices, and zesty tangerine create the perfect acid balance. Every sip is not just a caffeine boost, but a sweet symphony for your palate. Cold brew citrus, the ultimate refresher for hot summer days. Try it now. Cold brew oat milk, the perfect blend of cold brew and plant-based milk. But have you tried pairing it with oat milk, the trending plant-based sensation? This combination offers a subtle natural sweetness, no sugar needed. Moreover, oat milk is low in fat, making it a great choice for your physique. Specifically, it is the perfect solution for a vegan lifestyle. Make your cold brew latte a healthy choice starting today. Spiced cold brew, the warmth of cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom in a cold glass. But imagine, what if we awakened it with Middle Eastern flavors? Rich cinnamon, spicy ginger, and a hint of delicate cardamom. The process is simple. Steep the coffee grounds with the dry spices right from the start. Wait for 12 hours in the fridge for the flavors to fully infuse. The result is a bold cold brew, bringing a sense of warmth in every icy sip. Cold brew float, the perfect blend of cold brew coffee and creamy vanilla ice cream. Imagine a rich coffee, awakened by scoops of cool, refreshing ice cream. This is the cold version of affogato, where low temperatures preserve every flavor note. Watch as the ice cream melts slowly, swirling into the dark coffee. The perfect balance between the coffee's subtle bitterness and the ice cream's sweetness. The ideal dessert coffee for hot summer days. Have you tried it yet? Kyoto drip, the art of slow drip coffee, where patience creates pure flavor. But have you ever heard of Kyoto-style cold brew, also known as Dutch coffee? This is not just coffee, it's a work of art born from patience. Using a special slow drip device, each drop of pure water slowly filters through coffee grounds. This process takes 3 to 8 hours, extracting the purest coffee essence. The final product is crystal clear coffee with a rich yet incredibly smooth flavor profile. Originating from Japan, This method celebrates minimalism and meticulous attention to detail. This is a premium experience that every coffee enthusiast should try at least once in their life. Vanilla cold brew, the classic combo that never goes out of style. The smooth sweetness of vanilla perfectly blends with the bold taste of cold brew. You often see this on the Starbucks menu, but it's actually very easy to make. Just boil sugar with water and a few drops of vanilla extract. You'll have homemade syrup. This is a safe and easy choice for those just starting with flavored cold brew. Try it today and enjoy your homemade result. Cold brew mocha, the perfect blend of rich cold brew coffee and sweet chocolate. Have you ever tried blending the subtle bitterness of cold brew with the richness of chocolate sauce? Just a few spoons of rich cocoa or quality chocolate sauce poured directly into 12-hour cold brew coffee. Stir it well to let the flavors meld, creating a truly enchanting drink. Want extra creaminess? Add a splash of fresh milk or cream to turn this into a liquid dessert. This is the ultimate treat for those who love both coffee and chocolate. Try it at home. Welcome to the salted caramel cold brew, the Starbucks hit. The secret lies in the silky cold foam layer resting on top of the coffee. The perfect marriage of sweet caramel and a touch of savory sea salt. The creamy texture of the foam blends beautifully with the bold cold brew. This is an unforgettable experience for any coffee lover. The cold foam trend is huge. Try making it at home today. Almond milk, cold brew, the drink that wakes up your senses. Almond milk is becoming the most popular plant-based alternative to dairy in cold brew recipes. With a light and delicate nutty flavor, it highlights the deep notes of cold brew coffee. The biggest plus is that it is very low in calories, lactose-free, and perfect for a keto diet. Whether you're looking for a healthy option or just want a change of taste, this is the solution. Try swapping dairy for almond milk in your cold brew latte today. Cold brew horchata, the perfect blend of cold brew and traditional Mexican drink. But have you ever tried mixing it with horchata, a match made in heaven? Horchata is a traditional Mexican drink, made with rice milk, cinnamon, and a hint of vanilla. When the creamy sweetness of rice milk blends with the bold cold brew, magic happens. This is not just coffee, it's a sophisticated Latin cultural experience. Try making it at home and enjoy this unforgettable sweetness. Lavender cold brew, a delicate experience with soft floral notes. But when mixed with lavender syrup, it becomes the new trend in specialty cafes. The harmony between bold coffee and light floral lavender creates a unique difference. Refreshing taste with a sweet finish, bringing the vibes of European bistros. It is the perfect choice for those seeking a unique sensory experience. Try it and feel the sophistication in every sip. Honey cold brew, natural sweetness for a refreshing twist on cold brew. But why not swap sugar for natural honey? Honey is a natural sweetener that makes your coffee taste much smoother. The best part is that honey dissolves quickly in cold brew without any residue. The warm sweetness of honey is a much healthier choice than refined sugar. Try it now. Drizzle some honey over the ice to experience this amazing flavor. Pumpkin spice cold brew, the perfect match for the early days of autumn. Have you ever tried upgrading your traditional cold brew with the rich flavor of pumpkin? The secret lies in the natural pumpkin puree, capturing the essence of the season, combined with the holy trinity of fall spices, cinnamon cloves, and nutmeg. The warmth of spices blends with the cool coffee, creating a beautiful symphony of flavors. Skip the Starbucks line. You have your own PSL at home to welcome the fall in style. Cold brew matcha, a modern caffeine symphony of coffee and green tea. But elevate your experience with a silky matcha layer on top. Double caffeine, a explosive fusion of bold coffee and refreshing green tea. Watch the vibrant green swirl into the coffee brown modern Japanese style at home. This is the signature drink to make your Instagram feed look stunning. Ready to try? Cold brew matcha, your ultimate caffeine symphony.